Hey, hello everyone. Welcome back to the class. So today I have a very good news, a big good news for all of you. But you need to wait for that. Believe me. Okay, so let's get started with this grammar topic, direct and indirect speech, which is going to give you a lot of information. I know the topic is vast, topic बहुत बड़ा है. So don't worry, we are going to split this session into parts. थोड़े से और sessions लेंगे इस पर. But today I'm going to talk about a part of it, okay? Because I have this opinion, I have this motto that you can if you have will to achieve. So always keep your spirits on the top because we are okay to learn and we believe that it is okay to learn. So let us get started and let's learn little more today. तो कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर सुपर डुपर अमेजिंग. बाय द वे मेरे स्टूडेंट्स हमेशा अमेजिंग रहते हैं. डिफेंस स्टूडेंट्स आर लाइक ऑलवेज ऑन देयर पीक, ऑलवेज हाईली मोटिवेटेड. So I don't need to fill the power in them. They are highly motivated from their own. Yes, I know that very well. But let us get started and let's see what we are going to learn today in today's session. Now the way I'm asking right now, I know that most of you will reply that you are happy, you are feeling good. But here is somebody who is very sad. This boy, he is super sad to think that he needs to learn now tense also in indirect speech. Don't worry, you do not need to learn that. Actually, this is what we are going to talk today. We are going to answer this question, how to change tense in indirect speech. एक सिंपल मेथड फॉलो होता है. कुछ टेंसेज होते हैं. लेट्स से इफ आई हैव टू रिपोर्ट द सेंटेंस विच इज इन पास्ट टेंस, आई सिंपली नीड टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू पास्ट परफेक्ट. मुझे ये रूल्स याद करने. आई जस्ट नीड टू लर्न दीज रूल्स एंड आई एम वेल प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर माई टॉपिक. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू ऑल टुडे. सो बी हैप्पी एंड डोंट बी सैड. Okay. So students, if the reporting verb is in past tense, we make changes to the reported verb as per the shared rules. I'm going to share rules with you all today, and if you use these rules well, you are actually somewhere well prepared with 75% of this most difficult, which students call difficult topic, that is reported speech. Don't worry, it is very easy. You just need to remember how to change tense. And that's what I'm going to teach you today. Ta-da-da. Okay, so simple present tense. Simple present tense को अगर आपने convert करना है in reported speech, you just make it into simple past tense. So somebody said, I am ill. I said, he said that he was ill. क्या किया मैंने? I simply converted I am into he was. That's it. My work is done. And that's what you all need to learn. That's it. It's so easy. So Tim said, sorry, I can't go to work this week. I am ill. Tim is not coming to work this week. This is my information. Then I reported his sentence. He said that he was ill. Okay? This is called reported speech. So some students also gets confused. Now many students might ask that, ma'am, what is reported speech? Please tell us about direct and reported speech. First of all, direct speech means simply जो उस इंसान ने बोला अगर मैं डायरेक्टली वो बोल देती हूँ, that is direct speech. और अगर मैं अपने words में मोल्ड करके बोल रही हूँ, then it is reported speech. Okay, let's look at some more examples. Present continuous tense, it gets simply converted into past continuous tense. For example, I am looking for new keys. She said that she was looking for new keys. Yes, easy. Present perfect, perfect tense, past perfect, present perfect, perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. बहुत ज़्यादा confusing होता है. Don't worry, I will help you out, but right now not, because right now we are completely focusing on direct and indirect speech. But इस topic पर भी मैं definitely बात करूँगी. Don't worry students, I will be there for all of you to support well. She has written 3 letters for her friends. Rahul said that. Rahul said that she had written 3 letters for her friends. For her friend. Okay? Simple. Present perfect continuous gets converted into past perfect continuous. We have been waiting for hours. They complained that they had been waiting for hours. Next, simple past tense. अगर sentence already simple past tense में है, so I will convert it into past perfect. My friend gave me a bar of chocolate. My friend gave me a bar of chocolate. He said that his friend gave him a bar of chocolate. So simply, we make changes in subject, we make changes in verb, और अगर by chance कोई time का word है like today, so I will make changes in time also in reported speech. Always remember this point. Okay? Next point, past continuous tense. Now past continuous tense get converted into past perfect continuous tense. Sam's family. We were living in London. They said that they had been living in London. Okay? And in this, we come to this point that past perfect tense and past perfect continuous tense have no changes. Means अगर हम इन्हें reported speech में convert करते हैं, हम कोई changes नहीं करेंगे. We will simply write them same. Tina, the bread had gone stale. She said that the bread had gone stale. Simple. You just repeated it. Yes? Okie dokie. Alright. Can, shall, will, may, must. All these modals get converted into could, should, would, might, and must stays same, must. So I will finish my report in 2 days. He said that he would finish his report in 2 days. Yes, so I'm just reporting the sentence and I'm just making the change will into would. Very easy. Always remember it. If there is any universal truth or habitual fact, अगर हम किसी universal truth के बारे में बात करें या habitual fact के बारे में बात करें, we make no changes even if we are converting it into reported speech. Reported speech में convert कर रहे हैं, but there will be no changes. For example, the planets revolved around the sun. Planets कहाँ revolve करते हैं? Around the sun. एक universal fact है, मैं इसको pass नहीं कर सकती. I cannot say the planets revolved around the sun. So I will simply say Sam stated that the planets revolve around the sun. Good? Amazing. So here we come to the end of the class. But don't worry students, we got the key of defense. Happy preparation. So here I have a good news. I have actually 2 good news today. So all the defense students get ready because I'm going to come on each Saturday and Sunday for all of you with some helpful classes. Classes will be content based. Classes will be related to tips of these content. Classes will be related to tips of interviews, SSB interview. Yes, plus there will be updates. All the updates will be given related to defense. And here is a super bonus which is in waiting. So if you hit the target of 1000 likes in this video, only 1000, a very small target, 1000 likes, I will bring the live series for all of you. Okay, so if you wish your friends also to prepare well, do share this news with all of them so that they can be the part of this special class. Okay, so one more news I have for all of you. There is a Maha battle on 25th July on 5 p.m. Maha battle is there, but where? On Unacademy. Is it free? Yes, it is free. So you all are warmly welcomed to this Maha battle on grammar. There will be random topics taken from grammar and there will be a Maha battle on that on 25th July at 5 p.m. Don't miss this opportunity. Join Unacademy special class at 5 p.m. live and attend the class. I am going to share another good news in that class. So I have shared 2 good news right now only already with you all and I'm going to share another one there. I am a verified educator on Unacademy Plus, for class 9, 10th, 11th, and 12th, there is a surprise waiting for all the English learners there. So, all the best, everyone. Bye bye for now. And always remember that it is okay to learn. If you like the video, please do hit the like button, comment what you liked or what you have learned from the class, and please do share this information with all the learners so that we can, make our community even bigger. Bye bye. All the best.